right over there.
I see it.
That's it, right there.
I see it.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's on the ground.
That's
Yeah.
trying to do something right there.
I don't know if it's on the ground. I think it's far enough north though.
No, it's down. There it is. Got wraparound rain with its head right where Jennings.
It's going east. We're good.
You want to keep going and we turn around?
Yes.
Better keep
We're
going.
fine.
You sure?
Yeah. We're far enough away from it.
Okay. I'm going to do what you tell me. I can turn around still.
I know you can. We're good.
If it turns this way,
I'm trying to look for circulation.
hey, that's a tornado.
It's circulating.
It's telling me that it's a tornado.
Right there she goes. Then she's almost turning the ground.
I see it. We're far enough.
It's almost Jennings.
Yeah, it's heading that direction. I think we're fine. I have to roll this window up.
You're going to get a lot of this current shifting through here.
I think I want to turn around.
No, I think you should keep moving.
Well,
It's almost beside
It's-
me over here, looks like.
Yeah, look, we're fixing to head back that direction. We're about to get past it. We're about to get... Yeah, we're good. Oh,